Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I have a new subscription launch named Sah Beauty Solutions, which is a little different from others because this is actually a brand which makes 100% organic and handmade beauty and skincare products that are paraben free, cruelty free and fully natural in all ways. So this subscription is a personalized box where they send their in-house products as per your specific needs. So it contains 5 curated products and is priced at Rs 500 plus shipping. But I have a coupon code for you guys using which you can get another free product in this box. Now let's see what all I have got.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
There was no box or bag, it was just inside the courier packaging. And all the products packaging is very simplistic, but what matters is the quality of the products inside. They have sent me a mail with the individual product prices and benefits, so I'll mention them in the video. The first product is this Zulfe Siah hair potion, and in the ingredients you can see extra virgin coconut oil, hibiscus, some other nut, banyan root, Indian gooseberry. And this is a 125 ml product worth 150 rupees. They claim that this hair oil makes hair thicker, stronger and reduces hair fall. They suggest shaking the bottle well, heating it up and then applying and keeping it for at least 3 hours before washing. As you can see, it has a red color tint to it, but this is not artificial coloring, and it has a very light Ayurvedic kind of fragrance, nothing extra strong that you cannot tolerate. It's one of their best selling products, so I'm really looking forward to trying it out. And then we have 2 tubs. The first one is Like a Diamond Face and Body Scrub Powder. Everything is sealed well. This is how the powder looks like. It has only 3 ingredients: rose petals, almonds and turmeric, all in its purest forms mixed up and made into this powder. So you can imagine the benefits this scrub has, and you should use it as any other uptan. Mix this powder with water, apply and leave for around 20 minutes and just rub it off with wet hands. This technique also helps in getting rid of excess facial or body hair. So a really good product. And the second product is Cucumber Face Gel, and that is how it looks. It's very hydrating and moisturizing and not at all sticky. This is a very interesting product as it has both cucumber gel and aloe vera gel mixed into one product. Both are really good for your skin. They have soothing and hydrating properties, and it's so difficult to choose one of them. So you get the benefit of both in this product here, so definitely loved receiving this one. The cost of this product is 200 rupees individually. Then the third product is this Lavanta Face Mist. In the ingredients it has rose water, lavender oil, lemongrass oil and rose oil. This is not a very big size bottle, but again this is a awesome double power product because it has both rose and lavender in it. It reduces any skin inflammation, redness or acne. This is supposed to be used as a toner, but you can also use it as a makeup setting spray as per their claims. This one has a little bit strong fragrance, to be honest. Then the last product is this anti-wrinkle serum or oil, you can call it, because this is a mix of many amazing facial oils. They have sent me the ingredient list and it has jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, frankincense oil, lavender oil, raspberry seed oil and extra virgin olive oil. Even though I don't need anti-aging now, she suggested to try this one out as it has amazing benefits on skin. You can apply it overnight, and being an oil, just 2 drops is all you need to cover your entire face. Don't use it like any other moisturizing cream. And if used regularly, she said this will prevent any fine lines or wrinkles from showing up, and it's also good for under eyes and wrinkles. So yeah, it is quite a promising product. Would like to try it out and then I'll let you guys know how it worked on me. So those were all the products inside my subscription, but you will be getting one more product using my coupon code. Also, you can get different products based on your skin type, hair type and concerns, as this is a fully personalized box and every box will have different products, and that is something I really liked about this subscription. Some of the other products they have are Magic Potion Hair Oil, Intense Glow Face Mask, Pimple Spot Treatment, Rose Oil and even customized face packs according to your skin type. You can choose the ingredients and mix and match. So that is something really unique and a big plus point in this subscription. And getting 6 organic products in a 500 rupee subscription box is definitely a good deal. We hardly find 1 or 2 products we actually need in a subscription box. But here you can get all the things which are specially for your concerns and your skin type. So just for that I would give a big thumbs up to this subscription. If you're looking for cruelty-free organic products in budget, then definitely give this box a try. I will leave all the details on where and how to buy this in the description box along with the coupon code, so make sure you check that out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel to see more such unboxing and review videos. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.